Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Upshift Unlimited. It has been a long time. It has been since, I believe it's July, the end of July, early August since I've posted, which is obviously not ideal. But I am back with another video for you guys today. I hope you all had a nice winter season. It's still very snowy out here in Rhode Island, but I hope you guys had a nice, enjoyable winter holiday season and a great new year, and hopefully 2018 is looking good for all of you. So this video is going to be just an update video, what I've been up to, what the Celica has been up to, what the current state of the Celica is, and just what has been going on lately in my world. So I finished off the summer not doing anything to the car since the last video. I think that was the answering your questions video, but I haven't done anything to the car really at that point for the rest of the summer. So in September, I started off doing some headlight polishing and sunroof polishing. So earlier I did a little bit of the sunroof, made it a little bit better, but at the end of September, I started to do it again. So I repolished it. It's way more polished than it was before, as well as the headlights. So I'll throw up some pictures while this is going, just of how the headlights and the sunroof now look. Very nice, very clean, much brighter and better light output on the road than it was before, which is awesome. Always good to have clean, clear headlights. It's, you know, more of a safety thing than anything else. And this road's terrible, I apologize. But it's obviously a safety thing, and it just looks better in my opinion with headlights that are much brighter and better than, you know, gross, foggy looking ones. So that was a nice update. And then, of course, 5 days later, I made a post about this on Instagram. 5 days later, got into a accident. I was trying to connect my phone to my radio so it was hands-free so I could talk on the phone with someone. Hopefully, ooh, the sun's right in the camera. Wasn't paying attention as I should have been and hit a Jeep Wrangler from behind. So the spare tire damaged the hood and the trailer hitch poked a nice perfect square hole right into the front bumper. So that's kind of ruined. The crash bar is bent up and, you know, obviously the damage to the bumper and the hood need to get fixed. So that was nice, you know, 5 days after I just polished the headlights and everything. So the front end was looking great, and then 5 days later was looking not so great.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
So that was the worst accident that my car had suffered since the last time I made a video. So that's not great. Gotta get that fixed for sure. The other thing is the check engine light has been on and off repeatedly. It's ridiculous. I don't know what it is. Yesterday the light was on, and today the light is off. So I don't understand what's going on there. That kind of keeps happening. So I'll take it to the shop next time the light is on, because they will, you know, do anything to it now because there's nothing wrong with it in their eyes. So definitely have to have that fixed. So the side of the car still does have that dent. So I would like to get that fixed, but it's not really super top of my priority list right now, getting that check engine light when it comes back on, and fixing the whole front end is my priority. So the side dent's still there, and there's still all the rust in the car. There's rust, ooh, the sun is right in my eyes. So there's rust at the bottom of both doors and around both rear fender, whatever, wheel wells. So I would like to fix that personally, maybe do that on my own, maybe make a quick video about it, I don't know. But probably not have a body shop do that, because that's big bucks right there, and I don't feel like it's really worth it at this point. So I have to fix that for sure. But I did find the shop that I'm going to be taking the car to fix the front end. That was a big process, and now I figured that out, which is good. It's a really cool guy, he knows my neighbor. So I'll be taking it there to get that fixed, which is cool. I would like to do that before winter break is over, but I'm not positive what the timing of that'll be. I have another 2 weeks before I go back to school for my last semester at URI. So having that nailed down is pretty cool. I know where I'm gonna go, so that's one less thing to kind of worry about. I was looking into a ton of shops to, you know, get it done, but this guy seems pretty cool. So that'll be nice. But besides that, that's really it for the car. You know, it's definitely got its issues. It's been through a pretty rough year. 2017 was not the best year for the Celica. Lots of things went wrong. Some things were good, but, you know, overall, definitely did more damage than I probably, oh my goodness. Oh my God, this road's But yeah, 2017 was not the best year for the Celica. It kind of did much more damage than it did good for the car, I think, with the front dent in September and then the side dent in March. So hopefully 2018 we can get some of that fixed up and, you know, not have to worry about that, and the car will be in pretty good shape. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do, because I'm either going to keep this car for a really long time and, you know, really fix it up, make it look awesome, maybe do the paint at some point, and maybe if I really want to keep it, you know, wheels and tires, well, who knows. Or I'm going to, you know, get it to a decent place where I could sell it in maybe a year, get something else. But either way, I'll probably keep it at least for a year. I don't see it going anywhere for the next year, so Celica videos will be coming out at least for the next year, so that is, I guess, something to look forward to for you guys. But yeah, besides that, that's really it for this update video. Just wanted to let you guys know what is up with the Celica, how I'm trying to fix it, what my plan is, and, you know, what the future plan is for this whole car, for the channel. If I get a new car in a year, there'll definitely be videos about that car, because it'll be arguably cooler than a 18-year-old Celica GT 4-cylinder 5-speed. But who knows, who knows. It seems to be having, you know, pretty good success in the channel. The channel's still growing, even though I haven't posted in like 5 months or whatever, which is awesome. So I really appreciate that, guys. Keep watching. The How to Drive a Manual video is at like 900,000 views. I'd love to make a downshift video. Let me know if you guys like that down in the description. Let me know if you would enjoy that type of video. But besides that, I hope you guys all have an excellent day, and you're all doing well, and 2018 is looking to be an awesome year for you all. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.